Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your account on Higgsfield. So if you want to purchase a subscription, let's say you create an account for free and you want to purchase a subscription, you can go ahead and do so by clicking your account or hover over your account on the upper right and just simply click and manage account. Now from here, you want to click on the subscription on the left side under the workspace. And yeah, just simply click an upgrade plan. You can see that I have the free plan right there. So click an upgrade plan and I'm going to just work with the individual. You can either do team or individual. I'm going to work with that, and I'm not going to pay annual. I'm just going to pay monthly and just work with the ultimate plan. You have the pro right here, and it says you get 600 credits per month. This one give you 1200 credits. But guys, I don't know how much credits I actually need. I just need enough credits so I can play around with this tool and just make some really cool tutorials for you guys. So if you do find it useful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat like. And yeah, just simple click and select plan. I'm going to choose this one right here for a month. And I'm going to go ahead and fill out my details right here. And yeah, I'm going to just simply go ahead and upgrade my account so we can start to have loads of fun within the next month, because that's all I would need. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and just go ahead and fill out all your details when you were to purchase. But that's how you do it, guys.